I'm gonna kitty, 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 kitty. I'm gonna kitty, 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 kitty. I'm gonna kitty, 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 kitty. You gonna fall over? Oh. Look, there comes Sissy behind the crib. She's mad. Well, come over here. That's my little drooling baby. Look how big I am. Make him laugh, Willie. Make him laugh. Oh, it's crybaby Lily.
I'm not a baby!
So glad I got that on tape.
I'm not a baby!
Alright, you're a big girl.
He's the strongest. He thinks you're mean.
He does.
Yeah.
Do you think I'm mean?
Yeah.
Look, he's wiggling his way back down. He said, whoa. Whoa. Huh?
Now let me get me turn.
It's your turn.
Yeah.
You want your turn?
Yeah.
Here's your turn. Let's see what you got. Oh, Lily's not happy, Stone. Don't speed up. Whoa.
You know what? Emma blessed me.
She did. Well, you need to stay away from Emma.
And Emma kept painting. Emma kept painting here.
She did.
Oh.
Oh, Lily's casting a shadow on me. Oh. Hey. What, you gonna keep doing it? Hey, look, Grandma, I'm wearing 12-month pajamas, and I'm only 4 months old. Hey. What are you doing? Oh.
I'm going to scratch you, Mama.
You gonna scratch me? Let's come over here and see what Lily's mad about. Oh. Let's see your pretty robe. Are you tired? You ready to just go to bed like that?
No! I'm not done. I'm just sad at you.
You're sad at me? I'm sorry. What did I do?
You made me in trouble.
You're not in trouble. Oh, my. You ready to get your jammers on?
No! Yeah!
Yeah. Well, you know where they're at. Don't take your robe off. I got you on video. Alright. Let's put your pajamas on. Say goodnight. Say goodnight. Don't say goodnight, Lily. You don't want to go to bed.
No.
Why?
Look
Are you not tired? I think Stone's talking to you.
Where's my giraffe?
Your giraffe in the bathroom.
No, my giraffe.
Oh, your mailman giraffe?
Yeah.
I don't know what to look for.
I got from old school.
Yeah, I know you got some old school. What are you looking at? Trying to look for your giraffe up there? Huh? Maybe. Are you going to smile and show everybody how sweet you are now?
I can't say it.
Can't see what?
See my giraffe.
You can't.
No.
Well, talk to your brother. Make him laugh. Why don't you tickle him like you like to do? Hey, tickle, tickle, Stone.
Oh, give me my tail.
Alright, tell everybody good night first. Look at the camera. Say,
Night.
say it sweet like a princess.
I'm not fixing
What are you?
it.
Oh, Stone, Stone, Stone.